And now, my feature presentation.
Okay, so I'm going to be 27 this October, and I'm 26 now. So when I turned 26, I felt a whirlwind of emotions. It's just something you can't explain. I call it the mid-20s hurricane. And this is my experience. I don't know if any of y'all experienced it being in your mid-20s, but it being in your mid-20s is really crazy. You start figuring out who you are, what you're into, and there's good days, there's bad days, and days when you going to be pissed off for no reason and just questioning your whole existence, like what is my purpose? Like what am I meant to do? Like who am I? Am I this? Am I that? Am I this, that, and the third? But what is it? So for me, this is just my experience. I don't know about y'all. And comment down below if you've been feeling this way. Yeah, this is the time where you start really finding yourself. And I'm finally at a place of peace and solitude where it's like, okay, all right, the hurricane's over and I'll be pushing 30. Grateful and blessed for that. I'm always grateful and blessed for every year, every day I'm given. Um, but 27, oh my goodness, wow. I know age is just a number, but it's something about being in your mid 20s, and when your mid 20s is almost over, like I said, it's just something you can't explain. And when you try to explain it, you just gonna sound crazy. So that's why I just say you'll go through a whirlwind of emotions, good and bad. Excuse the noise in the background. That's the ambulance. It's just a whirlwind of emotions. It's not the end of the world. It's just part of being in your mid 20s. So comment down below if you feel this way and let's get the conversation going. Okay?
Yeah.